in today's video, I'm gonna share with you how you're gonna make money with Eagle Web e-commerce platform, or rather how Eagle Web e-commerce platform works or function. So without further ado, let's go direct into my presentation so that you can understand, and by the end of it you will have a clear picture of how this business works. And this business is suitable for stay-at-home mom, students, or anyone who wants to start a side hustle here in Kenya. So these are platforms made for Kenyans and also East Africans. So Eagle Web e-commerce platform offer a variety of ways in which you can make money. One include affiliate marketing, which is my favorite, network marketing, gaming, freelancing, writing, transcription services. So all these I'm gonna explain to you on how you can have access to these services, and by the end of it I'll share with you how you can get started. So as you can see, these are certificate of incorporation, meaning that these are legit company, and you can always go and confirm this in any Huduma center or any government entity where you can confirm whether our business is legit or not. So first we need to check if our company is legit or not before we join or get started with that company. So let's now dive into some of the key features of this Eagle Web e-commerce company where you can make money. Some of the services being offered, or some of the key features, include online writing. This is where you'll be able to make money by doing online writing or academic writing, where you write articles and get paid up to 300 shillings per page. So if you are able to write 10 pages per day, that is a whopping 3,000 Kenya shilling. We have also transcription writing, affiliate marketing, online gaming, network marketing, data entry, and web design. So these are new features that they added recently, and I'm gonna show you a breakdown of what affiliate marketing is, what network marketing is, so that you can clearly understand and also make a right decision on how you can get started with this business and start generating income. So affiliate marketing allows individuals to promote products listed in the Eagle Web platform and earn commission for successful sale. And I personally do affiliate marketing, and I've also created my own course that teaches people how you can make money with affiliate marketing, not limiting you to only Eagle Web. So if you register through the link that I'll share in the description of this video, I'll be able to share with you my course for free after you get started with Eagle Web. So with affiliate marketing, you refer people to purchase a product, and when they purchase the product, you earn some commission. So the commission with Eagle Web starts with 11%. So for every sale of a product or service that you recommend, you will be able to earn 11%. I'll also share with you some of the other platforms I've partnered with, and you'll be able to make even up to 50% commission. But in this video, we are concentrating on Eagle Web e-commerce. Let's now go into network marketing. So network marketing is almost the same as affiliate marketing. The only difference is that with affiliate marketing, you are allowed to build a team. So for affiliate marketing, you only refer one person to purchase a product. So it is that direct sale only. But with network marketing, you can build a team that will earn you even commission when they refer people to purchase a product or a service. So, and Eagle Web offers you this opportunity to make money through network marketing, referring other people to come and join Eagle Web e-commerce. So why is it easier for people to join Eagle Web? Because we have other services that doesn't require you to refer people, like academic writing, transcription, and web design, and also data entry. So marketing this business is much easier. So it will not be hard for you to get people who are interested in the business. Another one is online gaming, which involves participating in virtual adventures and competition, where you will be able to win prize through gameplay, combine recreational activities with income generation, engage with the platform in a more interactive manner. So this is another way you will make money with Eagle Web e-commerce through online gaming. Let me show you some of the online games that are available. So we have Spin the Wheel dice rolling, and many others. You will be able to have access to these once you register with a platform. Now, let's go into another way in which you can make money with EagleWeb. That is online writing and academic writing. Most people like this because there's a lot of money to be made here. So with this, for individuals with writing skills and academic knowledge, the platform offers significant earning potential through creating informative articles and content, providing academic writing services, offering specialized expertise in various fields, and contributing to knowledge and marketplace. So for this, you are required to have a laptop. So if you are interested in academic writing and online writing, you need to have a laptop. So if you don't have a laptop, you can always go for transcription and the other services. So, and another services that they offer is transcription. So with this transcription service allow skilled listeners, typists to convert audio content into written form, serving clients across various industries, including media companies, which require interviews transcript, and also businesses needing meeting minutes to be transcribed. And we also have researchers documenting field interviews, content creators repurposing audio content into, let's say, articles or even blog posts. So that's another way you'll make money with EagleWeb e-commerce. So as you can see, these are some of the jobs that are available when you register and get started with EagleWeb. Now, let's go into how you can get started and some of the various packages that you can join with and get started. So the good thing about EagleWeb is that they have made it in such a way that anyone can join with different packages and also your capabilities. So the lowest package you can get started is the Gold package, and you need to register with that 500 Kenya shillings, which is a one-time payment. So if you can invest that 500 shillings just once and change your life, isn't that worth it? So with this one, you'll have access to some of the services such as transcription, network marketing, online gaming, and affiliate marketing. And down here, there is a pay plan, and this is for network marketing. So in level 1, that is, if you refer 5 people to join EagleWeb with the Gold package, you'll be able to make Kenya shillings 1200 from every person you refer to, and he or she joins with the 3500 Kenya shillings. So if those people also refer other people, let's say, for example, I refer John. John will be my level 1, so I will earn 1200 shillings. And if John prefers Mary, Mary will be my level 2, and I will earn 400 Kenya shillings. And it goes down to level 6, and you will be earning a cumulative amount of 2.3 million Kenya shillings if you build a team of 5, bring 5 each. So that is the power of network marketing, and that's why it's super powerful compared to affiliate marketing. Same case to Diamond package. This for people who want to focus on online writing. As usual, the Gold package doesn't have online writing, it has transcription and the other services. But for the Diamond package, an additional service is online writing, and this is in addition to what the Gold package had. So with this, you need to pay 5,000, and also when it comes to network marketing, you will be able to make more money by referring people with this package. So for this, if you refer people and they pay 5,000 Kenya shillings, whether you join with a Gold package, if you pay that 500 and refer someone to pay 5,000, you will still make 2,000 Kenya shilling. Same case with the person who joins with 5,000. If he or she refers someone and they pay 5,000 Kenya shillings, you will make 2,000 per referral. Same case to how I explain how your team can refer other people, you will still make money. And you can see in your level 2, you will make 500 for each referral your team makes. Level 3, 500. Level 4, 300. Level 5, 200. And level 6 is 200. Cumulatively, if you build a team of 5, bring 5, you will make 4.024 million Kenya shilling. And this doesn't happen just immediately. It takes time. So the last package I'm going to share with you is the Titanium package, where now you'll have access to all the services. And this include online writing, online gaming, affiliate marketing, network marketing, transcription, web design, and also data entry. So for this for the big boys, and if you want to make more money, then you can go with this package, and you'll have access to all the services. So for this, if you refer someone and he or she pays 10,000 to join Eagle Web, you will make a whopping 4,500 Kenya shillings. Let's now say you refer 5 people. 5 times 4,500, that is 22,500 Kenya shillings. So, for example, you can make a goal of referring only 5 people per month, and that will be 22,500. And if you teach your team to refer other people, you will make more money. And that is why they introduced the titanium package, so that people can make more money. And it's affordable. What is 10,000 Kenya shillings? Most people spend 100,000 Kenya shillings to start a business, but they never make any profit within the first year. Most businesses never break even in the first year. But for this kind of business, you can invest a little amount of money and make huge amount of money. So what can you make cumulatively? If you build a sizable team of 15,625 people, cumulatively that's 9.6 million Kenya shilling, and that's almost 10 million Kenya shilling. And this is possible. So what are some of the requirements that you need to get started with this? So I've already touched on the investment, and also this is what you need. If you are getting started with gold package that doesn't have online writing, you just need a smartphone and internet connection. But for the rest, you need a laptop for academic writing and also web design. Let's now see if people have benefited from this platform. So let's check out the testimonials from some of our members. So this is Emmanuel Omondi. This is the founder of Eagle Web, and I've been working with him for the last 2 years. So we got started with Eagle Web in 2023, and it took him 1 year, and he was able now to purchase a Mazda Axela KDQ 446E, and this is courtesy of Eagle Web. So it's a process. We are not here to lie to you that you will make money to purchase a car in 6 weeks. It takes time, and that's why we are building something that it's more relatable to our audience and citizens here in Kenya. Something legit that can take you somewhere. So we are not here to lie to you that you will make money and buy a car in 1 month. It will take you time. Just like our founder here, Emmanuel, it took him 1 year. And this is not the only person who has purchased a car. We also have Mentor Simon, my upline. He also bought his Mazda Demio, the KDM 470J. Those are the 2 vehicles that we have managed to purchase with Eagle Web e-commerce. And if you are just getting started, it's possible for you to make 10,000 per week, like Mercy Kapete. She's making now 10,000 per week, courtesy of Eagle Web. We also have leader Arnold Wayne, and he's also making 12,000 per week from Eagle Web e-commerce. We also have Mentor Silas, or Coach Silas. He is currently making 22,000 per week, and you can also make this money. All these people started with making even 2,000 per week, moving to 5,000 per week to 22,000. It's a process. So I will promise you that if you follow what we're gonna be teaching you with Eagle Web, you'll be able to make money. So all you need is to have a right mindset, faith, and also be ready to learn. So if you want to get started, you can always check out the link in description, and I will guide you on how you can get started. I'll also leave my number, WhatsApp number, in this video, so that you can also reach out to me, so that I can guide you on how you can make money with Eagle Web. Also here we have Mentor Ishmael. He joined us some few months ago, and is currently making 12,000 Kenya shillings weekly. And it's possible, so long as you are willing to learn, because this platform is easier to promote and easier to make money. So, and if you want to be like Mentor K.S. Julius, making 26,000 Kenya shillings per week, you are only one decision ahead. You just need to make a decision to get started today, and by the end of the year, you will be among the people being featured in our company as the top earners and people who are making a living out of this platform. So for students, you can see here someone by the name Mentor George is making 8,000 per week as a student. Isn't that worth it? Imagine you are able to pay your rent. You don't ask money from your parents anymore because you have found a business that can help you generate income while you are still studying. I started making money online while I was a student, and I'll recommend that start working while still a student because out here we don't have many job opportunities. So this is a great deal, and you should take this opportunity with you. Last but not least, this company was featured in the Daily Nation, where our founder and co-founder, Mentor Emmanuel and also Simon, were featured in NTV. So another TV station is Mzalendo. So this showed that it is a credible company run by credible people who are here to serve you. These are young individuals, my age mates, and we are here to help people in Kenya because we realize that we don't have much opportunities here in Kenya to make money. So we had to create this platform to help individuals here in Kenya to make money. So in case you want to get started, you can just WhatsApp me or reach out to me through the link I'll leave in the description, register, and then I'll help you get started. So I think you can see this is Memorial Center in Nairobi where we usually meet, discuss our challenges, help each other because we are not only here to focus on business, but to build a community of entrepreneurs. So in case you want to get started, you are welcome, and you can also buy a merchandise so that you can market your business. So make sure that you follow, subscribe to this channel, and also like this video if you got valuable information. So in case you want to get started, check out the link in description, register, and you can also WhatsApp me if you want to get started with Eagle Web e-commerce.